Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Indonesia Volcano Semeru. It has erupted again on December 19th, 2021, and I'm going to read this article. Indonesia's Semeru volcano on Java Island erupted early on Sunday, spewing a 2 km 1.24 miles high ash column, prompting authorities to warn people to stay away from the eruption range. Early this month, the eruption of Semeru, Java's tallest mountain, ejected ash clouds and pyroclastic flows that killed at least 46 people and left several missing, while thousands were displaced. On Sunday, early morning, eruption resulted in dense white and gray ash clouds, according to Indonesia Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazards Mitigation. The agency warned nearby residents not to conduct any activities within 5 km, 3 miles radius of the eruption center, and to keep a 500-meter, 1,500 feet distance from riversides due to risk of lava flow. PVMBG also told people not to conduct any activities within 13 km, 8 miles southeast of the eruption center. With 142 volcanoes, Indonesia has the largest population globally living in close range to a volcano, including 8.6 million within 10 km, 6 miles. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.